Hey guys, today I'm here with the realness, got my bonnet on, it's cleaning day, and I'm gonna wash my brushes. It's 2020, I need to wash all these brushes and start fresh and incorporate some new ones, possibly throw some out. So I'm here to show you what I use on my brushes and my beauty sponges, and I'm gonna show you like a sped up version of how I clean my brushes. So let me first show you all the stuff that I have to clean. Have to wash my Sonia Kashuk sponges. They're like hella dirty. I got these brushes. Most of these are from BH Cosmetics and all these are dirty. I also have these brushes in my Flawless like little cup. And I have to wash some of these brushes, and some of these are also from my kit as well. So some things I use to wash my brushes, if it's like a spot clean and I have time to spot clean, which is hardly ever. I just got this not too long ago, but I don't use it that often. But when I do use it, this is a makeup brush shampoo. It's a professional makeup brush cleaner. It's quick drying and rinse free formula. And this is what it looks like. It's super cute. I really got it like for the packaging, just to place on my beauty area. And this says by my beauty spot. I'm not even sure where I got this from. Probably like a Forever 21 or something like that. So I use this, you know, after I do my makeup, I clean it, you know, quickly. But it's better for like powders and stuff. Foundations kind of stick to the brushes, so it's harder to clean. And when I'm deep cleaning my brushes, I've been using my dishwashing liquid, and this is my dishwashing liquid right here. This is my Dawn Ultra dishwashing liquid, and this is what it looks like. It's this giant thing. I got this from Amazon, and it really deep cleans my brush instead of using like hand soap or whatever. That is like powerful, and it gets all the dirt out. To aid with me with cleaning my brushes, I got this a while ago from Brush Egg. I don't even know if they still exist, but you put it between your fingers and you take a brush and you clean it and you swirl it in these grooves. And this works good, but sometimes like the water gets inside the fingers and you just be too tired to do it. So I also got this, and this is from, I got this from Five and Below. And if you look at it, it has the grooves just like the other thing. So you put water, soap in here, and you rinse it like this, and then rinse it. And I actually have something else. Let me go get it. Another thing I got to wash my brushes is this mat, and this is an express brush cleaning mat, and this is from Urban Butterfly. I think I also got this from Five and Below. So it has the suction cups, so you put it at the bottom of your sink, take your brush, and you know there's different grooves and stuff on this mat. So I'll incorporate all of it in the video so you can see how I use these products. If you have another like cleansing soap or whatever that really cleans your brushes in one shot, leave it down in the comments, and any other cleansing stuff to clean sponges and brushes. So if you want to see how I clean my brushes, stay tuned. So guys, my memory card was full again. I need to get another one, but I finished washing my brushes and I want to show you what my brushes look like. And this is what my brushes look like sitting out on the table. In no particular way, just out on the table. If you have any tips on washing your brushes or any specific products that you use that's inexpensive, let me know down in the comments. And let me know what other videos you want to see this year. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.